Study shows that optimized website forms have a 27% higher completion rate than regular ones. The right form builder plugin not only saves work hours but also boosts conversions and engagement with the audience. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll review and compare two WordPress form builders, SureForms and FormGent. While SureForms is very popular with lots of dynamic features, FormGent is relatively new with many exciting and versatile functionalities. If you're just getting started, you can try both of these forms for free after downloading them on your WordPress website. However, here are the differences in these two plugins that we observed based on our experiences. Both plugins offer basic form field types and drag and drop functionality, but FormGent offers more fields for free than SureForms. Both are mobile fast, equipped with AI-powered form generation, but they are limited to the free package. Both offer logic and multi-step forms, but SureForms adds advanced validation. Both support webhooks and integrations, but FormGent enables them on the free plan, which is financially beneficial. Conversational form building is trending, and FormGent has made it easy with a clean interface. Apart from the free package, both offer different premium packages. SureForms offers its annual packages starting at $59 a year for a single site and increasing to $199 per year for 1,000 sites. FormGent offers $49 a year for a single site, but with discounts, the price drops to $39 per year. Although both forms are offering lifetime deals, FormGent is practically offering unlimited sites for anyone on a lifetime deal with a 60% discount, making it $159 for anyone. On the other hand, SureForms lifetime deals are also limited by sites, where user must pay a maximum of $599 to access up to 1,000 sites. So financially, FormGent is offering a massive boost for user, where SureForms gets costly. SureForms also offers discount from time to time, making it more affordable for users. Here's a side-by-side comparison to help you decide at a glance. Use FormGent if you need to work with unlimited sites, need a quick setup and AI assistance, love conversational or multi-step forms, or you are looking for a budget-friendly solutions. On the other side, use SureForms if you manage limited high-profile business website, need powerful customization and visual reporting, work with dynamic data and require real-time validation, or you don't mind paying more for advanced tools. Here's the bottom line, both plugins are excellent, but if you are looking for maximum value, fast setup, and pro features at affordable cost, FormGent is your go-to plugin. So, which plugin would you choose? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials and plugin tips.